Okay, I guess he's going first. Yep, he's playing first. Okay, yeah, this hand seems okay. Not good, but I can drop the Glinthawk Idol activated once with the Call Shield. Hope to draw into some mana. Gonna keep that being on the draw. That's okay. Okay, starting off the same way like before. Really hope to draw into some mana. With 3 mana, most likely playing, this hand is really good. But being on 2 mana, this hand doesn't really do that much. Here we go. No. Got a better idea. Playing the Shikari and next turn playing the Quarter Shield and equip our Shikari with that seems like a better play than the Glinthawk stuff. This is just doing a lot. We get really sweet combinations in our deck. Really have to admit that. Okay, nothing happens. That's good. Dude. Okay, now we could play the Quarter Shield, gain some life. Or, other way around, we just drop the Glinthawk Idol and the Flight Spell Bomb and play Quarter Shield next turn and activate the Glinthawk Idol there. And I guess that's the better play. Don't care about those 2 life here. That's okay if I don't get them. So here's the Glinthawk Idol. No Stoic Rebuttal. Hope he doesn't play any. Well, Stoic Rebuttal, sure. Held Order. That's okay either. That's okay either. So good I haven't played my Quarter Shield. That would be pretty sad to waste the equipment if we have the Sunspecies carry up. Having Glinthawk countered, that's okay. Not good, but okay. There are worse things to happen than this one. Okay, there's not happening much. Huh. Guess we just drop another Shikari. Or don't drop anything and leave mana open for the rebuttal. And using the Spellbomb end of next turn. Yeah, that sounds okay. That sounds okay. Leaving mana open for the Stoic Rebuttal sounds sweet. So we're just getting an additional turn here. Okay. I don't care about this. Don't want to play Stoic Rebuttal on that here. Okay. Well, he can't do much. So we just get a card draw. Well, this could be mana, but wouldn't care if it was none. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, sure. Now we have a Quarter Shield. And he can't counter it. 2/5 first strike lifelink. Sounds good to me. But, well, he has the Volition Reigns open with another mana. That's not so cool. But if he had the Volition Reigns open, we just had a counter on that. If he has the Volition Reigns at all. If he has Molder Beast, that's okay. Then we just use the Contagion Clasp on the Molder Beast and we just have him beat with the first strike. Here comes Molder Beast. No, Saberclaw Golem. Well, don't care about this dude either. Because it just dies to my Shikari. Due to the fact he has no red mana to give it first strike. Ah, okay. Interesting cards I'm drawing. Swing in there. Leaving rebuttal open or play something, that's the question of the questions. We're gonna play something, like a Neurok replica. And if we have another mana, we have Rusted Relic ready. which will be so incredible cool. And this means GG if we have Rusted Relic ready there, okay? So he's got something to play. Wow, the Invisimancer, sure dude, sure dude. But Invisimancer dies in a second with the Contagion Clasp. Even though he's making some damage and I go down to 20. Yeah, sure. Guess we just take that. Well, guess it's time to clasp something. And, well, I don't really need my Nordic replica to block. So we just swing in with everything we have. He's not really playing a lot. Got no idea what he's moving into his deck. What you got? Disperse? Yeah, disperse. Okay. That's working. So he's got a free attack. Hooray, hooray, hooray. And another mana means I play Rusted Relic, which would be even more fun. Shouldn't have played the Clasp, just attack there and having Rebuttal open, but, well, you never know. So he's playing a strange type of a blue control deck with a green Molded Beast splash. Blah. That's blah. Really strange. Sounding strange, playing strange. And as you see, it's not doing much. And I can easily stand it with a 3 mana hand. I really hope you draw into the 4th mana. But actually, we don't need a 4th mana. So, wow. Wow, he's really playing some weird dudes. Really playing some weird dudes. Okay, sure. Go there, Mr. Saberclaw. It would be really a sweet thing just to leave our Nordic replica open and have the cease the initiative there. I guess this is exactly what we're gonna do here, huh? Having ceased the initiative open, playing a spell bomb. If he doesn't attack, we can easily break the spell bomb. But cease is just a good card, as you will see in about a second when we counter the Saberclaw dude. And kick his ass with a 2/5 replica with first strike. Well, got no counter open, but that's okay. Ah, sure, Molded Beast. Guess we just jump block with a mirror against the Saberclaw. Go, well, we wouldn't work against the Molded Beast anyway. So just block with the Nordic replica and use the Cease sounds good to me. Guess we're going to do that. He has nothing to bull. He has no counter open, so everything's fine. We can easily bounce the Molded Beast and just take some damage. Here we go. I'd even trade the Rusted Relic against the Molded Beast, if it has to be. Well, I guess you can't do much against the Cease the Initiative. Nordic Replica just kicking a Saberclaw's ass. A day for the history. Yeah, dude. We're gonna have something, huh? So what's the plan? Playing a Mirror Galvanizer, breaking the Spell Bomb, double blocking the Molded Beast? Nah. 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 Or just equipping the Core Shield to my Nordic Replica and easily block the Molded Beast there, but, well, can he destroy an artifact someday? Get no idea if he's able to. Shoo! What's the best play? Guess. We need the white mana to break the spell if we want to. The safest thing would be just equipping the Nordic replica, or just play the Rusted Relic. Hell, if he attacks, we just trade. That's okay. Or maybe we just take the damage and re-attack after that. We'll equip the Quarter Shield. This will be awesome. Let's see what you got, dude. Or better, let's see what you got that I can stand. Like a disperse. Like 2 or 3 disperses. Double green. Leash of the Tangle. No, Bellowing Tangleworm. Well, I don't care, because I have a lot of artifacts. This isn't doing much. This isn't really doing much. Attacking with a beast? Well, I guess he has to. Don't want to block it, I guess. We just equip our Rusted Relic the next turn with a Quarter Shield, and okay, he's not even attacking. That's sweet. So he really wants to kick our Rusted Relic's ass. Which I can't blame him for. So, dude, can't do much either right now. Really need some mana. Guess we're just stalling the board a bit. Rusted Relic with the Quarter Shield means you can kick my ass and I can't kick your ass. This is a double ass kick prevention. A Quarter Shield, a double ass kick prevention shield. Just note that. Double ass kick prevention shield. The DAPS. DAPS. Double ass kick prevention shield. Oh my goodness. It's weird. It's really too late for playing Magic because I'm just talking strange shit. Okay, what are you gonna do? Disperse my Rusted Relic? Oh, I don't hope so. Really don't hope so. Okay, attack is a bit weird because he will double block it, and I can kill one of those guys. And well, if I had enough mana open for the bounce, this would be an easy attack because you just kick one ass and bounce the other ass. I'm really talking a lot of asses here. Okay. Well, this doesn't seem like a slice in twain, and that's good. Ouchie. Ouchie, 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 ouch. This is really ouchie, ouch. Phew, seems like you're gonna... Okay, he's not doing much with the Rusted Relic anyway. Guess I take 9 damage, huh? Doesn't seem like he has a lot of artifacts. Or just breaking the Spell Bomb and blocking the Bellowing Tangleworm with a mirror. Shoo. Okay, something flies. Yeah, we just break the Spell Bomb there and block the Bellowing Tangleworm. Without a card draw. Don't want to lose all those mana. Well, Rusted Relic is no threat for me right now. Just standing there and... Okay, really hope I draw mana. Yesha.